Find x and y intercepts in the log function. Let's say it's a given function f of x is equal to the log base 3 of x plus 1 minus 1. And let's see how we can find the y-intercept. If y-intercept, let x is equal with a 0. Set x is equal to 0. So, and instead of f of x, we will write y is equal with a log base 3 log base 3. Instead of x, I am writing 0. But 0 plus 5 is a 5, so I'm not losing any more time here. I'm taking a little shortcut. So now y, if I have a y is equal to the log, if I have a log base 3 of 5, I can write this in the form log 5 as a common log with a base 10 in 5 of a 5, and I can write as a common log with a base 10. If it's with a base 10, we don't have to write a base 10 here. We already is a known. This is common log minus 1. And y is equal. So because here we need a little bit of calculation to find, we cannot find this exactly. So let's go here, let's see, log of 5. Log, common log with a base 10 is 0.69. Let me write here is 0.7, so I'm approximating. This is a 0.7. And let's see log base 3, what it is. And now let me take this out. 3 log is a 0.47. Let's say is a 0.48. I'm approximating. So because of these numbers here, we are approximating. We cannot find the exact value, but we can find very approximate value. And y is going to be now, let me see when we calculate everything. And let's take this out. And 0.7 divided by 0.48 is equal minus 1 is 0.458. So let me take approximately 0.46 is 0.46. 46. So 0.46. And y-intercept is x is a 0 and y is a 0.46. 0.46. So we found the y-intercept. Now x-intercept. X-intercept is a x, we set the x is equal to 0. So now f of x, in fact is a y is equal to 0, I'm sorry here. We set a y is equal to 0. So we set a y is equal with a 0, then a 0 is here, is equal, is a log 3, log of base 3. So log base 3 of x plus 5 minus 1. So first of all, we subtract both, we add both side 1, and if we add this both side 1 is going to cancel, and 0 plus 1 is equal with 1, and this is going to be equal, let me rewrite this again, this log base 3, log base 3 of x plus 5. X plus 5. And now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to convert in exponential form, and this base 3 goes in the other side, becomes like a base for the exponent, and 1 is exponent here, and here I have x plus 5. x plus 5. So 3 in exponent 1 is a 3, and here is a plus 5. I am subtracting minus 5 both sides. And if I'm subtracting both sides minus 5, plus 5 minus 5, here is just the x. Becomes just the x. And in the other side, minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. And now the x-intercepts are going to be minus 2 and 0. So those are x-intercepts. And now we are going here to find this exact function in Desmos. We have this way. So the y-intercept was 0 and 0.465. And the x-intercept minus 2 and 0, which are those values here. So we found here approximately because we here had, for example, to approximate the decimals. That's why we have this 0.046, but it's very close because this is 0.0 is x and the y coordinate is 0.465. And the x we already got exact value because we here didn't have to approximate any number, and we have a minus 2 and a 0.